So let's get right to it. Welcome, hunters. Are we alive right now? Say hi if you're here. Welcome, 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 welcome. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. Let me do this first. Yes. Welcome, I love you too. Let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. Let's go right to hunting. Prepare for Monday. Who's ready for Monday? It was really crazy day. It was really crazy day, guys. How's today? Because today we saw the market is like going down for a lot of stocks. Like, what's going on? Hallelujah. Yes. April in the house. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo está? Matthew, what's up? What's up? I really like about your name. Crazy about rockets. I think from your name, you're hunting for penny stocks that actually exploding. Magic Money Monday Madness. I think I'm gonna do a video like the titles, like your titles. Magic Money Monday Madness. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm just checking those stock. Look with me what's I have for you in the store. We have this one, Allied Healthcare Products, still holding. We have like really nice exploding happening for this one, and I prepared a video for you guys. I will upload it for tomorrow or Sunday. Okay, the game plan for this one. And again, Suvi, we have a really big drop for Suvi, and we have LKCO going to ours $1.15. Who's ready to hunt LKCO? Now it's dropping, guys. $1.26 as we predicted and the last time from where we said around the $2.84. That's why I told you guys, let the price come to you, never run after the price. Okay, let me try to do something quick. Yes, yes, yes. What we have here, let me look a bit. Yes. Yeah, the maniac. Yes, today it was the big gabbers day. Big red day today for a lot of stocks. We're gonna discuss a lot about the stock that did the big gap for today, and the game plan and where we gonna see the buying pressure happening for them, and all the things we have to prepare. Who traded Wish, guys? Wish, we have a big gap for Wish for today. Big gap for Wish. And I got a question from our hunter on Patreon. Asked me if it will be a good entry. Right now we testing the support, now the resistance around the $7.64. Now we close below it. Look with me, guys. Look what's going on. That's why you have to wait for confirmation. 2 wick above our support here. Now the resistance $7.64. So I will never advise anybody to buy right now. It's really risky. We're doing lower lows, the $6.70. So we might see this happening again and going lower again for wish. So be careful for this one. We need the closing above by Monday, above this level in order to test the $8.76. Okay. Yeah, it was a really crazy day today. Okay, let's get right to it. Let me okay, let's so what's the kind of stock you traded, guys, today? Okay. Hedge funds squirming. Yeah, they will never get out of the whole of the. Yeah. Yes, hedge funds actually the big players. Yeah, if Flora is exploding actually. Yes. Okay. Let me put this one. Yes. Okay, for Sufi, it's kind of I already did the video about it. As said, guys, I will upload it by tomorrow. And for this one, it's good if we hold above the 1465, we're gonna see a bounce. However, if we don't hold this level, the best price to buy around the 13 for Sufi. And for Flora, guys, Flora is exploding as we speak. Is exploding. We have the test and exploding from this hour triangle. This is perfect. For Flora is amazing, guys. I think this one will go to 20 as we predicted, as April asked me about it. I think this one will explode until the 20 for this one. Exploding, guys. Sign of exploding. A lot of people buying right now before the market close. Man, this one's crazy. Yes, Bradley, yes. Yes, Bradley, be patient until we confirm the support. Yeah, April. Flora growth was really good to you, really. Yes, Goku is here. Goku is here. Okay, someone said trying to trade Axella. Yeah, Axella, guys. We said this triangle is really important. We exploded from it, and the price now is being gonna test this ascending line before we gonna see a buying pressure here. This is really important to have a buying pressure. Then we see a test again for $3.10. So this is really important price to hold, guys. And the other one we have April. Put your for Flora. I think the technical level above the 14 would be really good. Okay, any price above this level, the 14 exactly, it will be a really good price to stop your loss and let it go until the 19 for this one. Okay, we have Sensionic. A lot of people ask me about Sensionic right now. We did the video right now. Before we went live, we did the video, guys, about Sensionic. And Sensionic actually tested the $3 right now. Why we speak, we tested the $3 again. So this is really important tests for the $3 for Sensionic. Hopefully this time we hold above the $3 here. Would be really nice in order to go above and see a buying momentum to go to $3.39. We don't want to see a dip until this level, you know, because we might see a rejection and go for this one around the $2.73. So if we hold above here, above this ascending line or this support, this is really technical level, really important for Sensionic. By the next week to test it, to go again to test the $3.39. What's the stock on fire? Like, you write it, I think you spell it wrong. Let me check it here. Yeah, it's Sensionic. Okay, Bradley. Yes, Bradley. You see, like opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. If you stuck in one trade, you can trade because all your money in one trade. You see. First of all, Bradley, try to do it this next time. Don't put all your money in one stock. So you allocate some money to have like ready to trade in this kind of opportunity. We have someone speak Arabic here. Arash 25. Marhaba. How you doing, man? Where are you from? Okay. Yeah, we should hold above the tree. Really important psychological level for the Sensionic. Above the tree will be really good in order to see a test for $3.39. And let's go see the other stock, guys. We have again what we have here. We didn't cover MMAT, so here MAT have like lower like tests for the resistance, and we got rejected because we broke from this as our exponential average, and this is a warning sign. As I said, this is it should be hold, but we didn't hold it around the $3.46. Now we see the $3.17. So this time we might see the $2.76. The most important support right now for MAT, and BlackBerry is still dipping because we gonna find support around the $9.67 here. And this time, if we don't hold, guys, this is really bad for BlackBerry because we're gonna see the $8.20 if we don't hold the the $9.67. Even though we have a really like the volume is still holding up, but we got a bit of rejection when we hit around the zero. AMC, yes, we got rejected again, as we predicted around the 34. So now this is the technical area. The rejection area before around the 36, now is the 34. We're doing higher lows for AMC. Yeah, AMT is really heavily shorted, guys, right now. We already checked Sensionic. No, we didn't cover BT. I will cover it right now. Okay, we'll check it out. Let me check BT because we didn't cover it. Okay, this is really important, guys. Right now we testing the strongest support. Any price close below here, we don't see buying pressure. This will be bad because we're gonna visit the $10. So be careful from this one. Any price close 1 hour candle close below here, the price will gravitate around the 11.22. First we're gonna see hold up here a bit, then we're gonna see the $10.07. This will be the most important support for Bit Digital. Okay, so this is a really important level right now. While we speak, we testing it. And let's go to BlackBerry as well. It was listed 4th of February, this one. Okay, this one. It looked like Sensionic, you know? It confused me at first. Okay, for this one we have okay, for this one the volume is really low. Okay, so 100, just 100. Usually I don't trade stock that have lower than 500 because it will be a bit difficult to get in, get out. However, for this one it's still downtrending. And as you said in February, yeah, you're right, it was IBOs in February, 25 the price, and now we went not even half the price from 25, but even lower at 7, even at 6. So this time I expect some buying pressure will happen around the 9, and the support right now we confirm it around the $6.50. So if we just close like we didn't like hold the $6.79, we're gonna see lower lows again because we still have bad earnings, and like when we have a new like common companies usually have a lot of debts, of course, so they have to raise some money and things like this. However, right now, not the news, but the future and what they bring, it will have more impact than the fundamental. So for this one, like need catalyst or need a bit of a perspective change. However, for technical analysis, we'll be extra careful about this support and this resistance. I will take my profit. Any price will jump until the 9. I will take my profit because this will be a dead cat bounce. Because the price, if we want to change this downtrending from February, at least we need the price go around this level, the 1287. Other than that, we'll be dropping even more. For LKCO, as I said before, LKCO is downtrending, and by the next week we're gonna see this test for the $1.15. And as we predicted, we got a bounce and rejected, and that's why we heading toward the $1.15. Why do you think Zomedica will rise as well? Yes, like Zomedica has been out right now. There's no news about it. Let me check Zomedica. It's been a while last time we covered Zomedica. Yeah, it's been downtrending like crazy. Look guys, this is crazy. We cover it here, and I told you, we said around this level, this triangle, when we dipped from it, this was the warning sign when we traded around 0.94, guys. You see, let me show you something really good. Here, when we did this triangle back in June, I told you guys this triangle really important. If we exploded above the $1, we see a price going up. If we exploded below, get out. So if we just go below, like a bit by bit, and see the price reaction, you see this is your confirmation to get out. And if we go a bit by bit, we see this candle. Look with me what's happened. If we just have the price go up 0.93, then boom, we went until the 0.95 or 97 and we got rejected. So this is a sign of weakness and you have to get out, cut your loss. So if you just stay in, look what's happened to price, getting down, getting down, getting down, getting down, getting down, getting down until now, 0.47, almost the half of the price. So always guys have a like limit order and stop loss so you save your money to get to another opportunity. Hi, Luis. Yes, AHPI. I already did the video especially for it for tomorrow. I will cover it again here for you. And ABHI, we have it here. I think ABHI for Luis. ABHI. Okay. AHPI. What? This one. Okay, let me do this. Okay, look Luis. For this one, we still holding. As said before, if we go above the 1630 will be explosion, but unfortunately we didn't. And now with the price hold around the 12. Anyway, for this one, I expect the price actually go back to test this level, the really important level. Right now around the 1221. The technical level is 1133. This is really important. If we go to 4-hour candle, you see our exponential average is coming right there. By Monday we see this reaction. Our exponential average will coil up here and the price will go down here and go up again. This would be the perfect scenario for AHPI. Either you buy here and to actually have the profit around the 1482 before even the 16, because we might see a rejection before even. So this will be a more sure way to take a profit around the 1470 if you bought around the 1130. And again, if we close candle just in case below this level 1133, this will be a warning sign, and just buy around the 8. This will be another strategy to buy. If we don't hold this level and we like bounce from it, the perfect price will be hunting around the $8.07, $8.10 would be perfect entry for AHPI. Okay, what we have here? Yes, April, get this money, get this money. Hola, Sky Trader. No problem, Luis. You bought Zoom with 0.11 cent. When did you sold? At which price? At $1? Yes, Bradley, you're right. Okay, we have a new stock and we never covered before, SGOC. We didn't cover this one. It look interesting. This one have a massive sell-off. Okay, guys, this is really nice to study this one. Look for this one. We have a massive buying pressure and exploding since the 9th of July. Boom! In just one day, we went from the $2 until the 27. When was that? That was at 9th of July, and today is the 16th of August. So we didn't hold, guys. We didn't hold the support here. You see, it's really good to have exit strategy. We talked about this before, I think. And the 1733, it was the really important level. So always have exit strategy. If we don't hold, it means get out. So if we go back to FLGC, this is really good because almost every time we exploded from the support or resistance, we hold it. Exploding, we hold it. Here, exploding, hold the support. Exploding, hold the support. Exploding, hold the support. So for April, it was perfect because she buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Perfect, you see? So always take a profit and wait, get in after we confirm the support and take a profit and the other resistance. This is how to make money, and at the same time you protect your profit. This is how you do it. And here, if we go here, guys, look, a lot of people, I'm just telling you, bought and even below around the 3, and they just hold and they never sell. They just never sell. They think this will go to 100 and go to, I don't know, to the moon. Okay, but guess what? The price actually went down and sold off around the 28. So take your profit and away. Always take your profit. When you see a selling pressure and red candle happening, even this worrying sign of this candle, you see, this is not looking good candle, you know. And this is hyped candle, hyped price. That's why we didn't hold, and we saw the price jump down and even down right now, and we break from this support. So this price now, I expect the price right now will go for this level around the $4.36, and this is the last support for it. If you want to buy here, but if we don't hold this above the $4.36, just cut it and get out, because we'll be down, like we go back to $1, and this will be a bump and dump officially. Yes, patience a virtue, yeah, for sure. Thank you, April, thank you. That's how we do it. And Patreon, we just hunt, guys. We don't talk, we don't socialize, we just hunt. And of course, we do some kind of like educational videos, but especially we just hunt. Hi, Nicole. It's been a while. Last time we saw the hunter Nicole here. How's you trading for today? You always have options trade and some kind of wish list. So I don't know how you've been doing with this red market. Hopefully you did good trade. Yeah, I saw. I saw. Okay, WEN. We didn't cover this, Nicole, before. Okay, let me. You see, April, we talked about it. We talked about it, April. FLGC going to the almost the 20. So by Monday, just take a profit around the 19. Just save your money around the 19, because we're gonna hit with a massive rejection again. We'll check it, Bradley. Yes, let me check Nicole's stock, because we never check this before. Yes. Okay, Nicole, for this one, we have this big fake out happened here. And because this is actually the massive squeeze area for Windy Company, around the 2461. This will be the squeeze area, and last time we went until the 29.30. So this will be the squeeze area, because right now we still have this momentum up, going up, and the price has been squeezed, really squeezed, guys, since last year. So yeah, this is looking good, actually. They really looking good. So any price hold above this, because we're still doing higher lows, Any price for this one, if we hold above the 21, will be a really bullish sign. Above the 21.60, we're gonna see its price squeeze, and this time actually testing the 30. Okay. Okay, good question, April. Okay, for FLGC is really volatile. So if you put your yeah, is 18 right now. So if you put your like stop loss or training stop up, you get stopped out because this is really volatile. And when you put it at around the 16, is not actually I don't know, it's not like a really strong support. But yeah, you could actually protect kind of your gain if you want to around let me go smaller. Let me just wait a second. Just in case, put it around not the 16 but around the 1596. Yeah, the 1596. And take your profit around the 19. Would be really good taking profit. Stay from fat food. Of course. Your health is wealth. Yes, exactly. Wendy's. They have the best salad. Okay, we'll try it. Here we have in France, we have Caesar salad. It's the best salad ever. Did you try it, Nicole? You have to try it next time if you came here to Paris. Yes, Sky Trader, exactly as you said. For Exela, actually wait for a squeeze around this area because right now we've been, look, it's heading toward this level. The triangle you're talking about, it was here, and we broke from it actually. The triangle, we broke from it, and the squeeze and the price jump will happen around this technical area, precisely around this area, around the exponential moving average here. And if we go in the big picture, we're gonna see this going to happen really soon around this beautiful ascending line. This is the bullish momentum that have for Exela. Really important level to watch out for. BTCM, we didn't cover this, Nicole, before. This is new. Okay, Nicole. Yeah, this one doing good actually after this dip that we cover here around the 4. Did you bought the dip around the 4? This is really good. Anyway, we have a gap right now. The support right now is around this technical level, around the $6.70. Really important support if we want to go higher. And the next resistance for this one for BTCM is around the $10, guys. The $10 is the squeeze price, and if we just go above the $10.30, I expect the price go until the 15 this time. Perfect squeeze until the 15 for this one. Doing good. It's a bit hot. It's a really, we have a heat wave here in France. In Italy is almost 50 degrees by tomorrow. Yes, Bradley, get ready to buy the dip. Okay, for example, if we going to around the $2, this is will happen if we don't have support. If we don't bounce from this ascending line, the next technical level, yeah, will be around the $2.48, not the $2. First, the $2.09, not even the $2. The $2.09. This would be the perfect the last support for Exela. But the most important level we should actually explode, or to have more momentum to go to $4 by the end of this month if we bounce from this level around the $2.65 by the next week, because we closed around the $2.66. This is crazy, guys, because we went precisely near our level. Oh yeah, Zoom has been down, guys. We talked about it. It's crazy. Last time we talked about it was here when we have this triangle. We talked about it since June, guys. When we exploded from it, as said, we're gonna go down and cut your loss because we expected to go to $1, but we didn't. So this one, the dip, guys, is not there yet. You know where the dip for Zoom is? Around the 0.26 even. Imagine. So the dip, we might see a buying pressure around the 0.34, but the technical level that I see, the most important support is around the 0.26 for Zoom. First the 0.34, then the 0.26. This is where we see a buying pressure for Zoom. Yes, Luis Hood. Crazy about Rocket. I love you, man. I really love it. I love your name. It's perfect name. I think I'm gonna change my my YouTube channel to this name. I'm gonna steal it from you. Okay, Luis asked about this. Wow, this one we got the big rejection around the 85. Okay, for Zoom is really nice. Kind of nice. We holding right now around the the 48. And kind of actually have a bit of... we have a bit of price level went below our support around the around the 47. However, now we confirm the price above the 48. So for this one, after this massive jump down, like almost half the price, I would be extra careful with this one. Let me do refresh. What's going on with this? Yeah, for this one, a really important level, if we Okay, for this one, Luis, like just be careful from this one. If we get rejected next time or next Monday around the 54, I will make even this. This is what will happen. If we get rejected here around this 54, and this time we're gonna see the price go to 39. Here I will buy. The 39 or the 40 will be perfect price to buy Hood. Okay, here we're gonna see a buying pressure. If we saw this reaction, this is really important. The 54 is will change everything. Price close above the 54, 55 would be a really nice price to actually capitalize on it and buy again and sell around, let's say around the 66 if we exploded and we hold above the 55. Simple as that. So we have to wait until we confirm if we got rejected around the 54. What happened, Tasmin? You got saved from what? Aha, okay, April have another stock that will explode. See you next time, Rocket, Crazy Rocket. When is the next dip? For what, Luis? Which one? Yes. Aha, for LKCO. Yes, come on. For LKCO, guys, I warned you even before around the $2.80. When I warned you guys when we saw the big selling pressure, it was really obvious. And yes, it's like this one, it was big, a lot of people actually doubt me when I said the price will like drop around the $2.80, you know? So always don't, when you see the price go up, and I told you there's a big selling pressure happening, it will never happen in 1 day or 2 days. I'm just expect the price will go like happen like in few days. So even when we saw a buying pressure here, the price, a lot of people think that the price will go to $3, but we still didn't see the confirmation. So always wait for the confirmation. Even here, guys, when we see the buying pressure happen, told you guys sell around the $1.85 because we're gonna meet with rejection, and that's what we did. Boom. So you save a lot of money if you don't sell. You get boom, price drop again. So as I said, be ready, hunt around the technical level where the market maker buy. So happy to hear that you've been saved, Tasmin, from this big mistake. We talked about Wish, and I said it's not good idea to buy right now because we testing the resistance. Yes, LKZO going down, still going down because we didn't change the trend. We don't have a strong support. We always doing higher lows and rejection always. So we gonna see a really important test around the level that we talked about like for months even. Aha, okay, let's talk about April. Wow, this one actually exploding as well. This is really nice. We talked about this one. We said the $5.57, guys. It was the resistance. We exploded from here around the 6th of August. We covered this in the last live streaming. And the resistance was a $5. Now we covered around the $7, guys. So the post market around the 7, the market close around the $6.50. So for this one, I expected the price. Let me see our level of. Okay, this one I see a bit of like volume drop. So we might see a bit of buying pressure happening again around the $6. So we might drop again to see a bit of buying pressure happening. And because we didn't test the $5.57, we might actually go back to test it again. So be careful from this one. There's a selling pressure happening because we didn't cover and test the $5.50. So we might go back and test it before we go up again. And again, for this one, really important, yeah. Thank you, Louise. Thank you, Louise. Always be ready to hunt and be ready to our meeting at Sunday. Hopefully, it's okay for you for this time at Sunday. At the same time, yeah, at the 9 p.m. Nice weekend, Louise. See you in the meeting by Sunday. Okay, let me check. Double A01, he asked about BBKCF. Okay, for this one, let me check, guys. Okay, for this one, it look interesting because we have a bit of a dip. We have around the 0.66. Right now, we saw the $1. So now is kind of the psychological level right now we gonna hold above the $1, okay? This will be the support. If we hold this support, guys, by Monday, we're gonna see again the $1.43, the change in momentum. However, we saw a double top here. This is a bit of warning sign to confirm that we still have the momentum to go up. We need to hold above the $1. We saw a test by today around the $1.03 and saw a buying pressure. So this is good. And if we go in a like to see the volume a bit, we see a bit of, yeah, the volume is actually dropping. So hopefully we hold this level if we want to confirm that we're gonna see a buying pressure. If we dipped and closed below the $1, guys, will be a downtrend and see the price buying pressure will happen around this level, the 0.80 this time. So be careful on this one. I expect the price, if we close by Monday below the $1, 1 hour candle close below $1, just know for sure that the price will go to 0.80 cent. And here we're gonna see a buying pressure. And again, we still doing higher lows because the last low will be 0.66. And this time will be around the 0.80 and will be down uptrending from there. So this will be take a bit of time, guys, because the $1.43 is the change in momentum for this one. And sub Freddy, sub. Okay, YouTube. Okay, let me check. We talked about Sensionic already. Tanim M. You can actually check, go back and you can check the video. The live streaming, you can actually go back and check the video. No problem, 080. Thank you, G. Thank you, G, for a reminder for the hunters to press the like button on the way in. Yeah, Freddy, we covered Sensionic in the beginning. You can actually check it. Okay, Sharon, EVGO. We're gonna cover EVGO because Sharon asked about it. Okay, and ORF or ORPH. Let me check. Okay, let's see. I think this one. Okay, and this one. Yeah, we already covered this, and the other one, ORPH. Let me check this one. Yeah, this one we covered last live streaming, and I said about this ascending line. The moment that we break from it, be careful because we downtrending around the $6 or $7. That's why we broke this ascending line. We went down, guys. We went down until the $3. Right now we testing the breakout, the price where we break from here. Perfect resistant level around the $6.67. Right now we have a double top, guys. The price now is still downtrending, so we might actually, if we don't hold this support right now, really important support around the $5, above the $5, okay, above the $5. If we don't hold this level, we're gonna see the price go to $4. If we hold, we're gonna see the price go at least test the $6. So if you bought here, just sell around the $6 for this one. Yeah, Bitcoin is up. Yeah. It's really a lot of volatility happening about the Bitcoin and proof of stake and proof of work, and a lot of company actually coming up right now. Yeah, Bradley. Okay, Nicole, BITF and NCTY also. Yeah. No problem, Billy Wells. My pleasure. Okay, we can cover marine in a bit, and let me take one of Nicole stocks to check them out, because Nicole always have interesting stocks actually. And let me take this. And this one, BITF. And before I forget, I will put marine with it. Yes, yes sir. Wow, look at this guys, look really crazy for marine. From 26 until the 5 is big dip right now. So if you buy in the dip, you get really cut for this one. So you have to be extra careful when you buy the dip. Know when you buy the dip, okay? So for this one, we have this. Okay. Right now we have the price go below the support around the $5.30, and the price that will be tested actually in this technical area to fill the gap, okay? This area, the gap fillers here between the $5, yeah, above the $5 and around the $4.39. This will be a high volatility like price action for marine software. This is a really important level, because this level, guys, if we don't like have a buying pressure around it, we're gonna see a selling pressure either way. Because if we saw a selling pressure here, we're gonna see the $3.24 for marine, the last support. If we don't see a buying pressure by Monday here, this is really important technical level. No buying pressure, the price will go $3.24. Simple as that. The next one is BITF for Nicole. This one is really crazy. We have the run up around the 20th of June, and the price actually jump up as usually when we have like new traded company. We have the price jump, then we have a sell off. But this one does have the price change everything the moment that we broke from the resistance around the $4.42, and the price have a big massive run from there. So for this one look really nice. However, I see a bit of worrying sign for this one. Technically a bit of volume drop, okay? There's a volume drop for this one, so I will be extra careful around this $7 because we're gonna see a price test the $5 $6 here, the midway price, to see a bit of buying pressure to make a support around this level, okay? Around the $6 we have to have a support here and consolidate. And I think we talked about this before, Nicole. I think we talked about it. Yes, we covered in marine. Hopefully that was informative for you, Enil. Yes, Goku, Sandal. We already covered this this week, I think. Yeah, we covered this week. Because Sandal is really volatile, guys. Really volatile candle. Yes, we dropped from the support. Yes, guys, we dropped from the 0.77 right now, 0.75. So for this one, I expect the price coming for the next week around the 0.70 and the 0.66, the strongest support for Sandal after we broke this level, guys. And again, we broke even the ascending line that we draw. Okay? So this is a massive test. The support and the resistance line. Two support we broke. So this one I will expect the price go the last support around the 0.66 before we see a buying pressure for this one. We already covered marine, We already covered it. Which one it used to be 30, Nicole? Uh, Thank you, Takuman. Thank you. Wait a second. Clove. Yeah, Clove. Guys, I don't know. Like, have a lot of volatility lately. Then it lost all the volatility because of those people. Because right now we have Wish first because people have eye on Wish because we dropped really heavily. After we have Sophie, the most talked stocks actually at Wall Street bet right now. Then we have Clough and Rocket companies. Walt Disney, Microfast was now here, AMC dropping. So let's talk Clough and see what's going on with the price for Glove because we got question about Glove. Yeah, like lately, last month, it was heavily trending stock. Right now, we have a big drop after this massive drop that we did. Look at this, 28. So for this one, we have another rejection around the $9. We never hold. The price going again to the midway price. So for this one, I expect again even the after hours is around $8.75, but we close around the $8.23. So now this kind of midway reaction here, I don't like it. And I like when we see not a rejection, but a closing green candle above the 9 and buying pressure in order to see the $10.47, or I wait to buy around the $7. I don't like to buy around this massive decision kind of way, So because there's a lot of volatility and a lot of rejection. If you want to sell short, you would be perfect price to sell short around the 9. Okay, will be perfect trade to short the stock around the 9. But usually a lot of you guys, you just buy. De rien, Enel, de rien. Yes, you're right. So CAND was 39 and BTBT was 33. They all fell with Bitcoin, yes. Yes, I know. I got mixed up with Sensionic with the other one. The other one is SESN and Sensionic is SENS. Yeah, it's tricky, Okay, live watch stories. Key PLT. Wow, guys, this one really crazy. This one. Let me see. I would never touch this one. It's really volatile, and yeah, average volume is 6 million. Okay, for this one, there's no support, guys. There's still dipping. and from 3 right now, from we dipped even from the 14 because we have the IBO, I think, around the 10th of June. So for this one, I will put it on my watch list. If we just at least go above the $9 or the $10, I will be ready to buy some. Okay. Otherwise, I will never touch it because will be stressful ride, guys. Yes, AMD. I really forget about this one. Okay, one of my Hunter Hussein. Any update about FCL? Okay, one of my Hunter asked about FCL. Of course, we're gonna cover it right now. Hunters come first. Let's see. I think we already covered it. Okay. This one, as I said, guys, the $8 got rejected. Warning, big warning, rejected. Now, going back to the support, simple as that, the $5.48, right now at $6. We're gonna see a test by Monday, $5.84. If we don't hold, the next support will be a $4.49. Here I will buy because we're gonna see the same reaction that what happened here. Test for the support, boom, we got rejected, so you take your profit around this resistance. So here will be a perfect support if we just go back around the $4. The $4 really important level, the $4.50. Just ready to hunt, get ready to hunt here. And $8, if we close above the $8, we're gonna explode to 11. You see, guys, really important. If you just jump in and you buy, you get caught up, you know? So always have an exit strategy, know where the resistance lies. This is the key, guys. Know the resistance, where the resistance lies, then just take your profit and ready to hunt when the price come like crashing down. So you be ready always. Because money is power, guys. If you don't have money to average down or to buy, you be watching, you know, you lose a lot of opportunity. No problem, Hussein. Guys, as I said, check the Patreon link here in the top in the chat, live chat, if you want pre-market update or analysis for your favorite stock or a meeting with me to discuss your portfolio and everything. Check everything. Hunters is getting bigger each day, almost 70, guys. So welcome to the Hunter tribe. Okay, what we have here. Yes, Senseonic might rebound. If we hold above the ascending line, will be a really good bounce for Senseonic. If we hold above the $3, yeah. Aha, okay, we didn't cover, sorry, we didn't cover AMD. We just... Yeah, AMD is really important right now. We're still holding the support, and we dipped around the $1.04, and the support, as I said, is around the 97. Really important support here. Anyway, we have a bit of dip and another buying pressure. So by Monday, we're gonna see this going to happen, because right now we have a really technical level waiting to be tested. If we did this by Monday, because the 97 would be a really nice buying pressure, or if you want to hunt, if we have another dip, this would be the perfect price to buy. And again, we might never actually visit it, because now we saw a buying pressure around the $1.04. And again, let me see this one. Yeah, there's a volume actually dropping right now. Yeah, we have a big volume drop. So if we have a really important test by the $1.14, if we don't go above the $1.14 by Monday, we're gonna see it going back around this level, and this would be a really nice buying pressure here. Just hunt around this area would be perfect recharging for Nvidia, okay, for AMD, sorry. Okay, guys, I will try to do like live streaming more often, and again, I will make a live streaming like Q&A, especially for our Patreon, hopefully, and I will actually discuss this with our Patreon, like about the best time for doing the live streaming. To do like weekly or monthly, and will be really nice to actually do some recap for our hunters and Patreon. And again, guys, join us in Patreon if you want to hunt exact price value and analysis for your favorite stock, or you want to have a like meeting one-on-one with me to discuss your portfolio and to discuss some stocks, where's the target, where's the exit strategy, and everything. So check the Patreon link here, guys, and let's hunt for exact price value. And thank you for being here. And as I said, right now in Paris time is almost 11 p.m. So like next time I will have it a bit early, around the 9 p.m. so we have more time. And again, guys, thank you for being here. And at Monday, just be ready to hunt. I will do another video like 2 big or 3 stocks were ready to explode, or where the entry price for them. So be ready for this video. I'm gonna drop it around Sunday. For you guys to prepare for hunting for those kind of stocks, because each week I'm just doing this kind of series about hunting stocks that were ready to explode. So hopefully it was a question, answer all your question, and I will see you in the next live streaming almost every time around the 9 p.m. Paris time. So if you didn't come at the right time next time try to be around the 9 p.m. Paris time, so to answer all your questions. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next live streaming.